What's up, YouTube? Guy Dawson here, and I will now be opening. Well, I've got this cut sheet. Also got this Gold Series and Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. By the way, I got this all from this card store. It doesn't have a name, but it's on Gulf Street. And so, hope you enjoy. I'll be opening the Gold Series Haunted Mine first. I'll have to get the pocket knife out. Sorry this has to happen. So let's go. I'm gonna save the best for last, which is my Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Because, well, GX is my favorite series. So the Konami seal is off. I don't know how you're supposed to open it. So first Gold Series pack. Sorry, I like to do this.